here we are once again with Blue C. Hello, Blue. How are you, pretty boy? How you doing, pretty boy? What do you have here, Blue? Oh my. Got some nice letters and cards from your fans and friends. And then what's in the bag? What's in that bag? Oh, it's your mint bag. Thanks to all of your friends who give you an unlimited supply of mints. You like mints, don't you, Blue? See? She says, thank you for your friendship. You are very special to her and all your other friends. Telling you to have wonderful days and enjoy your mints. From Nancy and Tulip. Good boy, stay. Packages doesn't she? Look, follow to Blue's paddock. Lollipops one day, mints. Look at that. Oh, there it is. She's asked you how you are. She says you're handsome. She wants you to stay well. She's the queen of cards. What do you say to that, huh? Say thank you. Stay. Stay. Wow, look at that one. Look at that one. That's pretty, isn't it? From your friend Nancy. Don't forget to fluff your bedding. You gonna fluff your bedding tonight? She likes Zenyatta and Big Brown and the importance they've played in her life. But it's you that she gives all your fans daily inspiration, knowledge, laughter, and education. Good job, Blue. Good job. What's the next one? Uh-oh, got a little ripped up in the mail. Here we go. Oh, look, it's got pretty birds. Nancy has birds, and look on the back, all the little stickers with bird pages. Isn't that neat? How you say that, huh? Here you go, here you go. Look, look, look. Look at all those little birds in there. That's neat, isn't it? Good boy, good boy. Hey, thank you, Jordan. All the way from Oklahoma City. Oh, look at that dog, huh? Look at that dog, Blue. It's all sparkly and red like you. Oh, you put a smile on her face. You're her best friend. And she sent you a picture of her. Thank you, Jordan, so much. And your good friend Sandy. Sandy sent you a card too. Look at that. Look, Blue. For my friend, it's a little porcupine. You're in her mind and heart always. Just couldn't let the day go by without telling you what a special friend you are. From Sandy. Say thank you, Sandy. You know what these are? Yeah. But first, here's a card. Thank you. Look at those cute birds. More birds. It's from Sheena. I thought I would sit down to write you and thank you very much for the beautiful picture of you. I will cherish it always. I do hope you are feeling better by the time you get this card and mints, so you can get some mintiness. I know. That's what it is. You don't need to count for it. Polo mints. You like the polo mints, don't you? Here we go. Want some polo mints? Just I need to ask, huh? Ooh, there's minty freshness in here. Here you go. I know. Patience, patience. Here we go. Yum. Now, Blue, I know you can't say thank you to all your friends who sent you all the nice stuff, but how about, Blue, you give a hug to me and we send it to them virtually. Hug me, Blue. Hug. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah.